Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are on Arden Road now, and look at this. This is a two-lane road, and look, because of the indisciplined drivers on the road, it's now turned into a four-lane road. To the left is the Arden High School. So persons waiting to go into the school for pickup have parked on the left, creating another lane. And then now cars coming down can't come down because the road is blocked up. We are trying to go straight, and it's ridiculous when you hear people talking about traffic in Jamaica and the indiscipline on the roads. This is an example, perfect example. The people take a two-lane road and turn it into a four-lane road, and this happens every day. Unbelievable. So you see, the car is coming down now, the road is now blocked. This is a perfect example of what happened by the Pearly Beach in Ocho Rios. You see that white car trying to come down and the black car blocking up the road? Unbelievable. Now look at how close they're going to come. And seriously, this is just because nobody cares. Now you have government buildings like the Civil Aviation Authority. If you park in front of that facility, the police come and want to tow you or tell you have to move or give you a ticket, because that's an important building that they say operates 24 hours a day. And this one, I guess nobody cares because it's just a school, and the school needs to do better than this. They know that the parents are coming for pickup. Open up the school gate and allow them to go in there and wait. Why are they locking the school gate until school is over? It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. But this is what happens. So you see a two-lane road. Look at this truck, this bus coming down now. It's literally four lanes now. And there are some schools in Jamaica that would never allow this to happen. Never. And the police are not supposed to allow this to happen either. Oh, okay. Thought the taxi was going to drive through the exit gate. He's just turning around. And the school, I don't think you'll see it on the camera, has so much space inside. It's unbelievable. They could easily build a parking lot for these cars to wait inside. This is just an example of the indiscipline that happens every day on the roads in Jamaica. Okay, look at this black car now. It's parked on the sidewalk where the children are supposed to walk. And you see, the children now have to come out into the road, because the car decides to park on the sidewalk, blocking up the sidewalk. Oh, I tell you. Well, this is Arden Road. You see how long it took us just to drive past the school gate. Okay, straight ahead is Hope Road. If we turn right, we'll take Hope Road up to Ligony. And if we turn left, we'll take Hope Road down to Halfway Tree. Alright, so we're turning right on Hope Road. Now on the left, where you see that large open space, the green grass, that's Jamaica House. And beside it, coming up on the left, is King's House. Okay, this intersection we're coming up to, if we turn left, we go on to East King's House Road, and that takes us back to Barbican. If we turn right, we go on to Lady Musgrave Road, and that will take us towards Seymour Avenue, which will then take us towards Mountain View Avenue or Old Hope Road. So we're going to turn left on East King's House Road and head towards Barbican. Now, East King's House Road is going to be renovated. It's going to become a dual carriageway, 4 lanes with the concrete barricade in the middle, and street lights, proper drainage, signage. It's going to look just like Barbican Road when it's finished. And that project is supposed to start anytime now. Now, if you look at on the right where you have that wall, you notice how far in the wall is. That's because when this road was originally designed, it was designed to be a 4-lane road, but it was just built as a 2-lane road at the time. So all these fences are at the correct spot, so that to make it into a 4-lane road, you don't have to move any of those fences. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.